Okay, we have a FANUC ROBODRILL, model a-T14iDs. This machine was new in 2004, serial number P047UJ252. And we're going to run it for you. Machine has a FANUC 16IMB control. As its name, it is a ROBODRILL. It drills and taps. It has rigid tapping. You have a 24.8 by 13 inch table with 11.8 inches of X, 11.8 inches of Y, and 12.99 inches of Z. 3,000 RPM. This machine goes up to 20,000 RPM. That's 7,000. It has a BT30 spindle taper. And again, that's a 14 ATC turret. 12,000 RPM. All right. Doing a tool change, we're going to do another one. All right, we're going to run some axes. That's your X. You can see it's super fast. Your Y. And your Z. All right. Hey, thanks for watching.